Good afternoon, everyone. We are here in Niagara Falls after we had quite the snowstorm yesterday and overnight the day before. And I thought I would come down here to see what it's like, take a nice walk along the falls so you can see how much snow there is and how beautiful it is right now walking through here. So, as you can see here, where this big tree is, I'm going to see if I can show you. I'm going to put this down and then I'm going to walk up beside the tree so you can see how much snow there is piled up. Okay, hold on a second here. Okay. Can you see me? This is how high it is. So quite a bit of snow. Yeah, so we had like the record snowfall, they said. But in the falls here, they got quite a bit, but St. Catharines, where I live, actually got the most, surprisingly. So I just noticed while I was right beside this tree is there's all these carvings in it. People put their names in there. See if you can see that. So this says, oh, it says Christine. That's funny. Christine plus Sean. That's not me. That's not how I spell my name. Oh, I just thought that was funny. And then there's other people who put their initials in there all over this tree. There's hearts carved in the tree. Aw, that's so cute. And there's one way up there. You can see right here. So that's kind of neat. So that's pretty neat in the city of love, right? Okay, well, we're gonna go start our walk. And we're starting at Queen Victoria Place, which is right here. That's this place right here. It's definitely like a winter wonderland here today. I'm sure there's probably photographers out there today at the falls, or maybe even yesterday there might have been some daring people, who knows. Oh, at least the pathway is clear here. That's nice. Here, we'll get a nice look up here. That's Murray Street. That's quite the hill to hike up, let me tell you. Coming down is simple, going up not so much. Okay. So it's not too bad out here right now, as temperature wise. I think it said -2. So that's not so bad. Like the other day, it was like -11. That was very, very cold. Oh, look at this beautiful tree right here with all the snow on it. Everything does look so pretty with the snow, that is for sure. You can see right here across the street where this man parked his vehicle, how high the snow pile is next to his vehicle. So that's quite the snowstorm that we had in the Niagara area. I noticed on my way down here there was quite a few snow plows out, so that's a good sign. There's a nice view of the Queen Victoria Park right here. There's the Skylon Tower. I don't see any yellow bug elevators going up today. I don't even think they're open because of the lockdown, so I think they're still closed. Okay, across the street here. At least the pathways are cleared. I'm happy about that. Oh wow, okay. I can see the American Falls is partially frozen. It's not quite full yet, but it's a little bit frozen at the bottom. And you can see how high the snow is here. Well, I don't know if you can tell, but it's up pretty high along the railing here. Yeah, look at that beautiful view. Gorgeous snow covering all around the falls. Oh, it's so nice. I love it. And look at the Bridal Veil Falls. You see that right there? How frozen it is all around it. Lots of ice. So yeah, a lot of frozen rocks, but not usually, like sometimes in February or so, like half of this would be just covered in ice, massive piles of ice. It's just amazing to see. So hopefully when I come back again for another walk, I will get a really nice shot of that. Always another time, right? There's a nice view of the Rainbow Bridge, which is the Canada-US border, in case some of you aren't aware. Not really too many people out today. Maybe once we head the other way towards the falls, then there'll be a few more people out and about. So, as you can see across on the States side here, you can see the building way down there where people would walk to the, I think that's part of the Cave of the Winds walk right there. Yeah, you wouldn't want to be out there today. Not a good idea. I'm sure that's just caked with ice. Oh, but that would be so beautiful, eh? To get a photo up close like that. And you can see all along up at the top there, all the ice, massive icicles hanging. See that all along there? It looks so beautiful. Beautiful day here, that's for sure, after quite a snowstorm, but it's just lovely today with all the snow, and the falls looks beautiful. It has a green color to it today. I think I'm not sure if that's because of algae. I can't remember why that is, but there is a reason for that. Nice view of the river down below. Okay, let's keep going. Up there's not really too many people either. Ah, I see someone's out there though, across the street, getting some photos. Selfies maybe? I'm not sure what they're doing. Oh yeah. Selfie time, I think. A beautiful sky too. It's a little bit cloudy, but the sun is peeking through. You can see down below here, this is where the zip liners complete their ride. They actually have the pathway all cleared down there. Still have the Festival of Lights on, so that's still ongoing till February. I'm sure I mentioned that before, but half of them are buried under the snow now. I don't know what that's going to be like at night. It's a nice view right here. Just looks so nice right in between the two streetlights. Beautiful little icicles hanging here too. I notice every little thing, I think. Look how beautiful that looks. Wouldn't that be like a cool picture? Right through the railing. Let's get a shot of that. So we're gonna walk all the way to Table Rock Center, which is way up there, that building that's all covered in snow, and we'll walk a little bit past there, and then that will be the end of our walk for today. Let's stop here and have a nice look at the falls. See across here too, there's some really huge icicles across there. See that? Way on the American side. Look at, you can see down here too all the ice right there that's all built up by the falls at the bottom. Well, the birdies are still flying around down there. They don't feel the effects, apparently. Oh, I think you can see, it looks like at the bottom, is that whole bunch of birds sitting there. Is that what that is? I think that's what they are. A whole bunch of seagulls. Yep, just hanging out, enjoying the falls. Oh, I gotta get a nice view of the outlook here. But you can see everyone has the same idea to stop here. So, oh wow, see all the ice on here too? Isn't that cool? It's all covered in ice. So I just wanted to get a view of the journey behind the falls, where the outlook is. It's just frozen, covered in ice. See that? I can't imagine what it would be like going down there right now. That would be so cold. I don't even know if that would be open right now, I wonder. It might be, who knows? But probably not till the end of the month, because so many things are closed right now. Oh, and you can see the other tunnel right down there. I didn't really think I noticed that before. See that? I wonder if they'll ever do anything with that one down there and have people maybe make it so people can go down there. Who knows? It would be something, be interesting. All right, let's keep going. You can see the trees on the right-hand side. Some are frozen with ice. People here and there enjoying the beautiful frozen falls, beautiful snowscapes. This way. It's a little chillier here now that you get closer to the waterfall with the wind, but I hope the wind stays this way as I walk down there. Don't really want the mist on me to freeze. Coming up here, there's some really huge chunks of ice coming off of the rocks. Oh wow, okay, now we'll get a really good view of the journey behind the falls outlook. I can just make my way over here. Ooh, this is a lot of ice here too now. Wow. Pretty much like an icicle. Look at these huge ones here. All right. you can see the street light, how much ice is on it too, built up on just the one side. Looks beautiful though, like that. See all the nice trees, how beautiful they look. Yeah, see? I had a feeling there would be some photographers here setting up. I mean, why would you not come here when it's like this? Get some beautiful captures, I'm sure. Oh no, I can feel the mist here, but it's like ice. It's like little icicles falling. I'm gonna put my hood up. See, everything is just frozen ice in here. All the trees and bushes on this side too are just big chunks of ice covering it. Same with these trees. These trees are completely covered. Get a picture of that, eh? With all the beautiful ice on the trees. Let's get a view of that. This building looks all covered in ice and snow. Lots of snow here. Oh my goodness, look at the staircase here. I should get a picture of that too. Yeah, it's almost solid ice right here. You can peek through. The closer you get, the bigger the ice gets. The closer you get to the falls. There's a little faint rainbow right there. Can you see it? Alright, let's try to go up. Trucks are coming to plow and sand. Let's hurry and make our way here. I wanted to show you a quick look of the trees over here, all covered in ice before we go. Falls. Hoping to get a quick view of this before my battery dies. It's in the red, so hopefully you can see how beautiful this looks here with all the ice. Wiped out. Wow. So cool. Now you can see what it looks like after a snowstorm in the falls, and how beautiful it is with all the ice covering all the beautiful trees, and the rainbow tops it off. So let's head back this way. Tractor coming. That's gonna do it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the snowy walk, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye for now.